Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete card of Doordash on iPhone. So it's pretty easy and straightforward method. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash on your app. So once you open up your Doordash on your iPhone, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your account section here. So on your top, click on your account section. So once you get to your account option here, so what you're going to do, under account settings, scroll down and you will see payment option. So go to payment option, and under saved payment methods, that's where you will have all your cards details here, that are whatever you have saved. So if you want to like delete a card off, then you can simply, what you have to do, for example, I have a Master and a Visa card here, so I want to delete this Visa card. So all I have to do is simply swipe to my left. So just swipe it to your left, you will see this delete option, and all you have to do is hit on the delete option, and then that's it, your card will be deleted. So just swipe to your left and then hit on delete, and then the card will be deleted. So that's how you delete your card on Doordash. It's pretty an easy and straightforward process. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.